Good morning all, and may peace be upon you all. Today we will see one question from quadratic equation, that is from exercise 10.3, question number 6. Let's start. Question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. What is a rectangular field? First, we'll draw the rectangular field here. This is a rectangular field. Okay. The diagonal of a rectangular field. This is diagonal. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. This is shorter side of rectangle and this is longer side of rectangle, and this is a diagonal of a rectangle. I will give the names to the corner A, B, C and D. Keep in mind, this is shorter side, this is longer side and this is a diagonal. What he is saying, diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meter. This is 60 meter more than shorter side. So what we will do, we'll take shorter side as x. Suppose shorter side AB, shorter side AB is equal to x. If shorter side AB is x, then according to the given, diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If this is x and this is 60 meter more than this one, then this will be x plus 60. X plus 60 or 60 plus x, you can write. Now let's move further. If the longer side 30 meter more than the shorter side. Now this side, what is saying, this side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So it will be x plus 30. Suppose shorter side AB is equal to x, then diagonal will be, the diagonal is according to the question, according to the given in the question. Then diagonal will be AC is equal to x plus 60 and longer side will be, this is also according to the question, BC is equal to x plus 30. Now what he is saying, find the sides of the field. If we have to find all the sides of the field, we can see the three sides. This is diagonal, this is shorter side and this is longer side. We have to find sides of the rectangular field. So how to find, that is important. We have to apply here Pythagoras theorem. We have to apply Pythagoras theorem to find the value of x. If we get the value of x, then we can write the value of AC. Also we can write the value of BC, longer side as well as diagonal. If we know this side, shorter side, let's find it by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. And we all know what is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus opposite square. Okay, I am writing hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square. You can write AB square plus BC square also. Keep in mind, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other sides. Now, AC square. AC is how much? X plus 60. X plus 60 whole square is equal to BC is how much? BC is x plus 30. X plus 30 whole square plus AB square. AB is x. It will be x square. Now, apply a plus b whole square to this bracket. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. Now I am applying a square means x square plus b square 60 square. 60 square will be 3600. Then plus 2 into a into b. 2 into x is 2x into 60. 2 into 60 is 120. 120x is equal to. Now apply a plus b whole square to this bracket also. A square means x square. This is a and this is b. Then b square means 30 square. 30 square is 900 plus 2ab. 2 into x into 30. 2 into 30 is 60 into x. It will be 60x plus x square as it is. Plus x square as it is. Now this x square and this x square can get cancelled because both are same. If you take x square to left hand side, it will be x square minus x square. So we can cancel it here. Now transfer all the values to right hand side. Now see here, x square as it is, I am writing plus 60x as it is. Now minus 120x. Minus 120x. I transfer this 120x from left hand side to right hand side. Then plus 900. Transfer 3600 to right hand side. It will be minus 3600, which is equal to 0. Now this will be x square as it is. 60 minus 120 minus 60x. Then here 900 minus 3600 will be minus 2700 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Now we find the value of x. By comparing with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will go by formula method to find the value of x. We know a is equal to 1 and we can say by comparing b is equal to minus 60 and c is equal to minus 2700. Now we will solve here. First we will write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equal to, first minus as it is, what is the value of b? It is minus 60. So we'll put that value in the bracket. Very important. Now plus or minus under root of b square. What is the value of b? It is minus 60. So minus 60 whole square minus 4 into a. A is how much? 1 into c. C is how much? Minus 2700. Minus 2700 divided by 2 into a. A is how much? 1. Now minus into minus is plus. So this value will be 60. Then plus or minus under root of 60 square. Minus 60 square is 3600. Then minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 27 will be 108. 108. Okay. So this will be 10,800 divided by 2 ones of 2. Now 60 will be as it is. 60 will be as it is plus or minus under root of. If you add this 2, it will be total will be 14,400 divided by 2. Now 60 will be as it is plus or minus under root 14400. This is square root of 120. Square root of 120 divided by 2. Now I will separate 60 plus 120 divided by 2 comma 60 minus 120 divided by 2. So this will be 180 divided by 2 and this will be minus 60 divided by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 9s are 0 as it is. Here 2 ones are 2 3s are 0 as it is. Answer will be 90 comma minus 30. We know when we are finding separate value, that time we neglect this minus 30 and we have to take the positive value. So shorter side is 90. Shorter side is 90. X is equal to, this is x is equal to 90. So I will write all the values here. Shorter side is equal to 90. Here find the sides of the field. Now diagonal is equal to x plus 60. X is how much? 90. 90 plus 60 is equal to 150. So all are in meters. You can say 90 meters. You can say 150 meters. Okay, this is also in meter. Now longer side is equal to x plus 30. X is how much? 90. 90 plus 30 is equal to 120 meters. So this is how we have to solve this problem. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section or you can message me personally also. Okay. I request all of you to practice this problem 3 times. You will become perfect. Okay. Thank you for listening me and don't forget to subscribe the channel Amir sir and Aswar sir.